This is an elevator at Tampa Medical Tower in Tampa, Florida.
Eighth floor.
We're at 8.
Going down.
Let's go to lobby. Actually, let's go to 2. No, 3. I'll tell you why in a minute. There's your inspection certificate. Anyway, reason being is
Third floor.
because there's a desk on the lobby level.
Going down.
But then also there's a, this is the only elevator it serves too. As you can see, there was only one elevator when we got on, and the rest don't serve 2, like, at all.
Going up.
Let's go to 8. Honestly, kind of weird to see a missing floor 2 in there, but it is what it is.
Eighth floor.
Let's go back
Going
to
down.
back to 3. Kind of weird to see the older style of Series 2
Fifth floor.
with the Gen 2 voice. Hi.
Going down. Third floor.
Have a good one.
Going down.
Let's see if we can get the other one. So as you can see, most of these are green buttons, but you occasionally see some blue ones, and that last elevator had a red lantern when it said it was going down. We got this one again, which we're not going to get on. I also noticed that this one here, it's got 2 different call stations.
Oh, sorry. Hey, is Gramps home with you?
Yeah, the door opens and you're literally facing the desk.
Eighth floor. Going down.
Okay, the 3 button on this one is red. So actually, we're gonna do something. And also 7 has a vandal resistant button. And 6 and lobby are the regular 6 and lobby are the regular floor buttons, but
Fourth floor.
aren't that flush.
Going down.
We stopped at 4 for some reason. 4 also has a red button. We'll get off at 3, just for the heck of it. Let's try seeing what the other buttons are. Or actually, maybe now. 7 is white.
Third floor.
There you go. You got your whole mixture
Going
of
down.
buttons. Anyway, It's like 5:30 in the evening, so I don't think we're affecting that many people doing this. Although as you can see, there are people still on the elevator. Still riding the elevators at this hour, just not as many as towards the middle of the day. And this one is indeed on a separate controller, so we're gonna cut to when we get it.
Going down.
Can we make it chime again? No, it just left us. Okay. So the last one was busy. We weren't gonna go up anyway. We're gonna wait and see if we can get the chime on video. Just your standard Otis chime, but it's pretty nice.
Going down.
And let's end it down at 2. This is a pretty interesting building design.
Second floor.
It's just to show you.
Going up.
That is the desk. And then that elevator was by itself. You got a staff parking garage over here, and we're gonna go around the front and see what that looks like. There's one more view from the ground. So as you can see, there are some ground floor offices that you do not have to go up the elevator for, nor do you have to go into the main lobby. So you have this double height motor lobby, I guess you can call it, and the rest of the building is just built on top of these pillars. So really interesting design, I must say. Anyway, that'll be it.